Hello, it's Shu here. I'm going to show you how to draw a Bronze Age necklace. So to draw a Bronze Age necklace, we're going to start with a little circle like that. And then we're going to draw the necklacey bit. So this could be made of leather or something like that. That's all sort of tied together. And then here we're going to draw two little curves coming down there. So this is going to be the bronze bit, and we're going to want like a spiral like that. And that's about all the plan that we need for this drawing. So we can now go and start drawing in ink. And if you like Bronze Age stories and drawing and stuff, check out my story shop. So we're going to draw that bit there. It's like the little connecting part. And then we're going to come down here, and then we're going to go very, very carefully. We're going to go round and round and round and round and round in a spiral. And when you're a Bronze Age kind of jeweler, this is kind of quite an easy thing to do because they didn't have all the tools and stuff in those days. So you kind of bash your bronze out into a long, thin wire, and then you just curl it around, and it kind of makes this interesting kind of thing to stick on a necklace. Then we can do the same on this side, and we'll come around. So you want to keep the distance apart the same, so that it looks like it's going to be made of wire. And we'll just come all the way around. Just take your time, and then we'll come to the middle like that. And then we want to do that little bit that's connected all up. And then this is going to be like the leather bit of stuff that goes around your neck to hold it all together. So that's the actual necklace part. This is the necklace part, and this is the pendant, isn't it? That's probably the way to look at it. So we sort of draw this all the way to here, where we're going to draw a knot, and then there'll be a couple of bits like that. When you're sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase all those pencil lines. And I'm just going to put in a little bit of shading like that. And you could maybe put a little circle in there, which would be sort of shininess. And we could maybe put some texture in on the leather like that. Then all you need to do is to colour it in. Thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel on YouTube, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.